Everyone thinks steel is off the shelf, straight, perfect, weld it together, there's a window. But steel, working with steel is testing. I look at steel like it's a living and breathing material, and that's what makes it interesting. The biggest thing in my day-to-day part of the business is checking quality. If it leaves it's not the highest quality and we would let that go, I wouldn't be in this business. I wouldn't want to do it. People look at it and think like, that's quite simple, that's quite elegant, but there's a lot more behind the scenes that we've hidden and mastered to make it look as good as it does. My passion's outside of work, working with my cars, pulling them apart, driving them, whatever it might be. It takes my mind off things. So when I'm working with my hands, I'm controlling what's in front of me and I'm enjoying it and I'm in the moment. I do not feel like I go to work every day. I do love what we do and I'm very proud of it.